Ever stood in front of your closet for 10 minutes, unable to decide what to wear? Or scrolled through Netflix for ages, only to give up and rewatch The Office? You're not lazy, you're experiencing decision fatigue. Asterisk, every day, we make 35,000 decisions, from what to eat to which task to tackle first. And just like a phone battery, your brain's decision-making power drains over time. Today, we'll break down why this happens and how to fix it. Asterisk. Decision fatigue is the mental exhaustion you feel after making too many choices. Imagine scrolling through endless online shopping options, struggling to choose a new pair of shoes. This is a classic example of decision fatigue in action. Scientists call it ego depletion. Your willpower weakens as your brain burns through glucose, its fuel. Even judges, trained to make fair rulings, become harsher after hours of decisions. Why? Their brains were out of juice. As our brains have a limited amount of mental energy, and making decisions, even small ones, consumes that energy. Small choices add up. From choosing what to eat for breakfast to deciding what to wear, we face countless small decisions throughout the day. These seemingly insignificant choices add up, leading to decision fatigue. How do you know if you're suffering decision fatigue? Watch for these 3 red flags. 1. Indecisiveness. Feeling overwhelmed and unable to make even simple choices like picking a restaurant, or choosing a movie, or if you were spending 20 minutes picking a toothpaste? Yep, that's fatigue. 2. Irritability. Feeling easily frustrated, or short-tempered, even over minor things like your barista asking for "Here to go." 3. Poor judgment. Making impulsive or careless decisions like overspending or saying something hurtful, or ordering fries instead of salad, or buying things you don't need. The good news? You can hack your brain to save energy. Try these 3 strategies. 1. Simplify choices. Minimize the number of options you have to choose from. For example, lay out your clothes the night before or plan your meals in advance. Have you ever thought? Mark Zuckerberg wears the same gray t-shirt daily. Why? Fewer decisions equals more brain power for important stuff. 2. Automate routine decisions. Use apps for groceries, bill payments, or even AI tools to schedule emails. Outsource the small stuff. 3. Schedule decision-free breaks. Asterisk, your brain needs breaks like a muscle. Give your brain a rest by taking frequent breaks throughout the day to recharge and reduce mental exhaustion. Try 5-minute mindless activities, doodling, stretching, or staring out a window. Asterisk. When you reduce decision fatigue, you'll notice improved focus and productivity. When you're not constantly battling decision fatigue, you can concentrate better and accomplish more. Reduced stress and anxiety. Making choices becomes less of a burden, leading to a calmer and more relaxed state of mind. Enhanced relationships. Better decision-making leads to more thoughtful and empathetic interactions with others. For example, Elon Musk and Obama time-block their days to avoid fatigue. If it works for them, it can work for you. Your turn. Try one of these tips this week and comment below. Did it help? Smash like if you've ever wasted time picking a Netflix show, and subscribe for more psychology hacks.